Engine Bay. This is the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado's engine bay. Take a look at this powerhouse layout, bold, clean, and engineered for performance. With the hood open, you can see how Chevrolet combines brute strength with modern underhood aesthetics. Engine block. Zooming in, you'll notice the Chevrolet proudly engraved on the engine block. It's not just a name, it's a statement of reliability and power. The close-up reveals intricate details like metal construction, heat shielding, and advanced wiring architecture. Different engine options. The 2026 Silverado comes with multiple engine options tailored to every kind of driver. The 2.7 liters turbo i4 pushes 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-feet of torque. The 5.3 liters V8 offers a solid 355 horsepower. At the top, the 6.2 liters V8 cranks out 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. For diesel fans, there's the 3.0 liters Duramax i6 with 305 horsepower and 495 pounds-feet of torque. Transmission powertrain integration. It's not just about horsepower. Silverado's engines are smartly integrated with its advanced transmission system. This layout ensures smooth gear shifts, improved towing efficiency, and optimal fuel economy. Everything under the hood is designed for performance synergy. Horsepower torque graphs. These performance graphs show the Silverado's power delivery curves. Notice how torque kicks in early at low RPMs. That's what makes this truck a beast when it comes to towing, hauling, or tackling uneven terrains. Fuel injection, turbocharger. Let's dive into the tech. Here's a close-up of the fuel injection system and turbocharger. These components optimize airflow and fuel delivery, making the engine more responsive, fuel efficient, and ready for demanding conditions. Towing capacity. Payload infographic. The Silverado 2026 impresses on the job site too, with a towing capacity of up to 13,300 pounds depending on configuration, and a payload of around 2,260 pounds. This chart breaks down what each engine option offers in terms of real-world capability. Off-road or towing scenario. Here's where all that engineering comes to life. Whether it's towing a trailer across country roads or powering through rugged off-road terrain, the Silverado delivers confidence, control, and relentless power. Chevrolet Engine Factory, Assembly Line. Behind this engine is a world-class production process. At Chevrolet's state-of-the-art assembly line, precision machinery and expert technicians work together to build engines that are dependable, durable, and dynamic. The 2026 Silverado doesn't just carry power, it delivers smart, durable, and tested performance under the hood. If you're looking for a full-size truck that can handle your toughest jobs and still cruise like a king, the Silverado's engine lineup is built for you.